Alright, so guys, we're going to start installing CWP, that is Control Web Panel, on the VPS. So here's the putty, and I'm going to connect my VPS server through this. So this is the terminal that has been opened, and first we have to set a host name for our server, right? For example, I'm taking my host name. So in this way I have renamed my host name, right? Now we'll install wget. Put an update. And then reboot. Alright, so now we will start the process of installing Control Web Panel. So first we'll go to the directory cd /usr /local /src. So once we have got into this directory, we'll type this command wget, then the URL from where we have to download. So we'll check this URL if it is right. centos-webpanel.com/cwp-el7-latest. All right. We'll do sh cwp-el7. So friends, this is the installation process of Control Web Panel, Centos Web Panel. Alright, as we can see that finally our Centos Web Panel has been installed, or you can say Control Web Panel, which is the main thing we need to install on this VPS. So this is written, go to Centos Web Panel admin, so we can go log into our admin panel of our newly installed CWP by putting our IP and then colon and then 2030. So these are the details, you can note it down for your reference, like main the MySQL password, and these are the details that the system has been installed, right? So you can find this, you just note it down. Obviously the root and the password, the password, root password, the VPS root password you have to type in, and this is the newly generated MySQL root password that you can just write it for your future reference. All right, now we have to reboot the server so that all the changes which have been done to the server after installation needs to take place. So we'll write down the reboot command. Okay, so now the reboot of our server has been done, and we'll check our newly installed CWP panel by typing our IP address and then putting this. So just make it advanced, accept the risk. Okay, so now finally you can find this GUI. This GUI is showing CWP control web panel, and it's showing here this welcome page, login page. So this shows that yes, our CWP control panel has been installed successfully. So that's a great thing to happen. So that's a good thing for us. Now we'll log into this and see our window. All right, so this is how it looks like from the background. So this is our main admin panel for controlling our web server, our VPS server, in which we can host multiple websites and applications, whatever, or a mail server. You can run a mail server, install mail applications, and do a lot of your own online hosting and so many things. So this is the way how it looks. So I hope you learned a lot from this video, and this is a very good alternative to the paid cPanel, the paid cPanel that most of the people use. This is also a very good alternative which I have found it to this channel. If you like the video, please do like and share this, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos and notifications. Thank you, and bye bye.